This is Mallory. In this vlog, she will travel 2,000 miles to the island of Maui, Hawaii, where she will eat and eat and eat. Oh well, you get the point. She will spend lots of time with her girlfriends, go on epic adventures, and wait, we don't want her mother to see this. Cut the cameras. Get on with the vlog.
Good morning. It is currently day 1 in Hawaii. We got in super late last night and I was really not feeling up to talking to the camera or vlogging, so we ended up going for a little sunset swim and then going straight to bed. I am so excited to be here. This is my second time on Maui specifically, and I think this is my 6th time in Hawaii. I really make an effort to try to go once a year because I absolutely love it here. On the agenda today, we are going to Kaanapali to go snorkel at Black Rock, check out some shops over there. We're staying in Kihei, which is about 45 minutes south. The drive is so scenic. I'm here in Maui with 4 other girls, and 3 of them have never been to Hawaii ever, so it's just like so cool to see Hawaii through someone else's eyes, and I'm really excited to see what the island is going to show us this time. Taste test, cheers.
Really good, actually. Yeah.
Yay. We made it to Black Rock Beach in Kaanapali. I'm so excited to go snorkeling. Hopefully see a turtle, get a tan, praying. Should be a really fun beach day. So yeah, stay tuned. Wow, how happy we are to be here.
So happy.
After an incredible day exploring Kaanapali and the aquarium, we went for a sunset swim on the beach. This would be the first sunset swim of many throughout the trip. Right after the sunset swim, we went and grabbed some food at this incredible teriyaki place. At this point, all of the girls were absolutely exhausted, so we quickly scarfed down our food, debriefed and discussed the day, and then went straight to bed. Good morning. We are currently going to the road to Hana, but we had to stop by and get some food, so we're gonna find some acai bowls. Let's see what this little place has to offer. Can I do the matcha bowl? The small? Mal, M-A-L. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So good.
Lauren, what are you looking forward to most on the road to Hana today?
Waterfalls.
Waterfalls?
For sure.
Marissa?
The banana bread. I'm just excited to go. For the vibes. For the vibes, for the memories.
for the experience.
I'm just excited for like the waterfalls and I don't know, yeah, just kind of like the experience and everything.
After checking out Turtle Beach, we continued to drive along the road to Hana and stopped at this incredible coconut stand where he chopped it up right in front of us. Fun fact about the road to Hana, it is arguably Hawaii's most iconic drive. It's about 64 miles long with over 600 curves, dozens of waterfalls, and plenty of places to stop and explore. We went just a little bit further up the road and pulled over to see these incredible rainbow eucalyptus trees. Their bark peels off in strips, which reveals layers of color, greens, oranges, reds. We made a quick stop at a quiet black sand beach tucked away into the curve of a coastline. There's no big sign, no crowds. It's just a peaceful spot. Next up was Three Bears Waterfalls, which is named for three side-by-side waterfalls. It's right off the road, so make sure you do not miss it. Then we hit Twin Falls, one of the first waterfall hikes you'll see along the road. After a full day of driving, hiking, and snacking, we ended up back on Maui's North Shore, grabbed some ice cream to wrap up the trip, and ended the day on a positive note. The road to Hana isn't necessarily about the destination. It's really about slowing down and enjoying every single thing along the way. I would really recommend taking your time, bring snacks, and stop at whatever looks interesting. You will not regret it. Good morning. It is currently 8:38. We are on our way to go get breakfast. Had quite an eventful day yesterday on the road to Hana. Haven't been here in 3 years and they've blocked off a lot of things. Had a pretty bad interaction with a local who was not very kind while we were walking along the road, so that was a bummer, but today's a new day. Gonna go to the old breakfast spot that we went to yesterday and then afterwards go to Wailea, check out the Four Seasons and the shops. Stay tuned. What is up? We are currently at a beach near Kihei. Not really sure exactly which beach it's called. Had a pretty uneventful day. Today was our free day, so we literally did absolutely nothing besides tan, lay on the beach, eat acai bowls, get some matcha. Not a lot really going on. It is currently 5:08, absolutely beautiful outside. I just spent the whole day today frolicking in the ocean. I feel like being in Hawaii right now, it is September 13th, 2025. It's just such a blessing with everything going on in the world. There's been a lot of craziness and uncertainty in these past few days. And so it just feels so nice to be somewhere where I can feel disconnected. I can, connect with nature, not feel impending doom sitting in my room at home scrolling. And so it's just been so rewarding to be here, and I'm so grateful and blessed to be able to come to a place as beautiful as this. Not worry. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Tomorrow we're gonna finish the road to Hana.
go check out some more really awesome spots. I have been to this island before, and the road to Hana was my favorite part, so I'm really excited to show the rest of the girls the road and finish it. I totally forgot, but before the road to Hana, we actually have Haleakala, where it's like this volcano and you just go up. I'm excited to show you. We're gonna go to a cool little dinner spot tonight. I'm not really sure what to expect. I did not choose this place. I don't actually even know where we're going, but everyone's getting dressed up, so stay tuned and hopefully the food is good. We'll see. So tired. I am frightfully cold, but it's absolutely stunning up here. I don't think I've ever seen anything this beautiful in my life. Actually, this might be my new favorite place on earth. What do you think? It's so pretty. My voice is like gone all of a sudden. It's gorgeous here. So beautiful. I do this all the time. 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just got back from driving to Haleakala National Park. I'm so tired, woke up so early. But on our way to go get some more breakfast at the food truck spot that we go to every morning. And then afterwards, we are finishing the road to Hana. Hopefully gonna see the red or black sand beach. Really excited to eat. Feeling kind of hangry. Get some caffeine and then get on the road and just be done with all this driving. After a day on the road to Hana, we ended up going for a last-minute sunset swim. A little fun fact, sunset swims are arguably the best part about Hawaii. I would recommend it every single day. Don't skip out. After our incredible sunset swim, we went to the Kihei Food Oasis again. I ordered a shrimp tempura roll, and afterwards, we all went straight to bed. Good morning. It is our last day on the island. We have a red-eye flight out tonight at 9 p.m. We are currently walking to, I think it's called the Green Coffee Shop. We've been here a couple days ago and it was absolutely delicious. Soon should be a pretty chillax day. Gonna go to the beach, hang out, do nothing. We're back at the food trucks again, as usual. It feels nice to just be in a similar area and come back to all the same places. But I am sad to leave, but I'm also really excited to go home and get back into a normal routine. So excited to see what today has to offer, but also I'm really excited to get on the flight tonight and pass out and go back home.
With a car full of suitcases and love, we unloaded and said goodbye to Maui. This was the most incredible trip with the most incredible group of girls, and I am so excited for you guys to see where I'm going next. Stay tuned.